Hi, this video tutorial will help you download files from data vaults. And make sure to watch full video so you won't download the wrong file. If you are on our website for 30 seconds and click anywhere, a pop-up will appear. It will open our YouTube channel video. Please watch that full video to support us. After that, you have to click on the download button. It will lead you to this article. This video tutorial is for every file you will download from our website in future. Now I will download MSIX file. It will lead you to this page. Now click here to continue. When you click on it, a pop-up will appear. Close that pop-up and click again. You have to wait 30 seconds. Then you have to enter the code below. After 30 seconds, when the download button is visible, click on it. A pop-up will appear. Close the pop-up. Click on the download button again. It will start the downloading of your file. Make sure to download the correct file. If you downloaded the wrong file, it might contain a virus that can harm your device. So always follow this video tutorial. Now you can download another zip file using the same steps. Also, watch our YouTube video to support us. Subscribe to our channel and share it.